Hello friends, welcome. We have couple of pair of linear equations to solve, so let's have a look at them. We have been given 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is 3 by 4, and also 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to 1 by 8. So first step, what I will do, I will convert these variables in the denominator to variables in the numerator by substitution. I will say let u equal to 1 by 3x plus y and v equal to 1 by 3x minus y. Then what we'll have? We will have u plus v equal to 3 by 4. We will have u by 2 minus v by 2 equal to 1 by 8. If you multiply on 2, you will get u minus v equal to 1 by 4. So we have two equations, two variables. So just add them, you will get 2u equal to 1 or u equal to 1 by 2. If u is 1 by 2, you can see that 1 by 2 plus some value is 3 by 4. It should be 1 by 4. So u is 1 by 2 and v is 1 by 4. Now, we know that 1 by 3x plus y, that is u equal to 1 by 2, and v is nothing but 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 4. So we have again couple of linear equations here, pair of linear equations, that is 3x plus y equal to 2 and 3x minus y equal to 4. If you try to solve them again, we'll have 6x equal to 6. That gives me x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, 3 plus something is equal to 2, that should be minus 1. So the values of x and y which satisfy these two equations are 1, comma, minus 1. X equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 are the solution. Let's cross check that. 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 3 minus 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Similarly, 3x plus y is 4, 1 by 8 minus 2 into 3x minus, we have 3x plus y, that is 3 minus 1, 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. So x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 are the solutions. Let me summarize that. We have been given a pair of linear equations. So we see variables in the denominator. Immediately I will convert them into numerator by substituting 1 by 3x plus y equal to u and 1 by 3x minus y equal to v. Now it becomes a pretty simple linear equation. You solve them, get the value of u and v, substitute it back to x and y, solve them again, find out the values of x and y. So we'll solve some more examples as part of pair of linear equations. I'll catch you again. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.